Welcome to Review Detective, guys. If you're a drone enthusiast, then today's video is for you. I have here the Shift Red drone, which I'll be reviewing. I'll let you know what kind of features it has, if it's easy to fly, how it compares to other drones on the market, and ultimately if it's worth buying. I'll also be giving away this review unit, which you'll see throughout the video, so if you're interested, keep on watching to know how you can participate. Now, to get started, when opening the box, you'll get the drone and controller on top, and since this is the Flex Pack edition, you get some extras like 2 additional batteries, a 3-slot battery charger, and as you can see here, you also get a 32GB micro SD card, 2 sets of spare propellers, and much more. In terms of price, the Flex package will set you back $299 compared to the normal version, which costs $199. Now, for that price, you'll get a drone that at first glance feels well built and has some nice features. It has a bright blue LED light around the camera, the power button is illuminated, and it has multiple sensors underneath, which are used for some of the automated features that I'll get into later on. Furthermore, included in the package is a one-of-a-kind controller, which as you can see comes in 2 parts. There's the control ring, which goes on your thumb and is used by hovering above the controller unit to make the drone fly in the desired direction. The controller itself has a control dial at the back that is used to change the direction of the drone. With that said, to start flying, all you need to do is insert the included memory card, then choose one of the included batteries and power on the drone. On the controller side, hold down the power button for about 1 or 2 seconds and then let it automatically pair with the drone. Once you're done pairing, you'll need to choose between one of 4 speed settings ranging from casual, joy, sporty, or extreme. To do so, just press the power button, hover the control ring over the desired speed, press on the center of the controller, and again on the power button. Now you're ready to fly, so hold down the control ring on the controller surface and the drone will take off automatically. Now, in terms of how easy it is to control while flying, it took me a while to get used to the one-handed controller, especially since I'm so used to the conventional controls of my DJI drone. But with a little practice, you'll get the hang of it and be able to fly comfortably. With that said, when it comes to flying, you can expect a range of about 300 meters with a maximum altitude of about 25 meters and a maximum speed of 28 kilometers an hour. But the streaming range of the Shift app only goes to 100 meters, so you'll have connection issues when flying past that range. Moving on, battery-wise, the 1100 mAh battery managed to last for about 8 to 10 minutes in cold winter conditions, so considering there's 3 batteries included in a Flex pack, you can expect a total of 30 minutes of flight time. Talking about flight time, one of the big disappointments of the Shift drone is that when you get the low battery warning, you might not have enough time to bring the drone back to you and it'll land wherever it happens to be. So if you're flying over water or hard to reach places, you might lose the drone. Another disappointment is the 5 megapixel CMOS camera, which is supposed to record in 1080p resolution at 30 frames per second, but I felt like the results were disappointing, as you'll be able to see from this video and picture samples. Now, as you saw, the footage is quite pixelated, soft in some areas, and overall shaky since the camera is not on a gimbal to help stabilize the footage. On the upside, inside the Shift app, you'll be able to choose between 8 autonomous shooting modes like Orbit, Dolly, Hero, and so on. And perhaps one of the biggest upsides is that at 93 grams, the Shift Red drone is exempt from mandatory registration, so you can fly without worrying about local drone regulations. Some of the other strong points of the Shift Red drone are the easy to install propeller protectors, the fact that the motors are quiet and the automatic hover works well and keeps the drone steady. But before I can recommend this drone, I would like to see a drastic improvement of the camera and its recording quality, as well as have some kind of storage inside the controller for the control ring and a lower price point as well, especially considering that for $150 more you can get an entry-level DJI Mavic Mini, which offers so much more value for your money. Now, with that said, for those that would like a chance at winning this review unit, all you have to do is like this video, leave a comment, and obviously be subscribed to the channel. The winner will be announced in our next video, so make sure your bell notification is on. And with that said, thank you for watching, and Review Detective out.